Unearthing the Past. The Impact of Raking Over Old Coals. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a fascinating phrase in the English language, raking over old coals. This expression is packed with imagery and meaning, and understanding it can add depth to your English comprehension and expression. So, let's explore together what it means, its origins, and how to use it in conversation. Raking over old coals is a phrase that vividly conjures up the act of stirring up the remnants of a fire that has long died down. But in conversation, it's not about literal fires. Instead, it symbolizes the act of revisiting past arguments, problems, or issues that have already been resolved or should have been left in the past. This phrase is often used to caution against or criticize the unnecessary revival of settled disputes. The origins of raking over old coals can be traced back to the physical task of raking through the ashes of a fire to find any remaining hot coals. Historically, this was a common practice to ensure a fire could be easily restarted. In a metaphorical sense, the phrase transitioned into language to represent the idea of revisiting and possibly reigniting past conflicts or issues. Much like uncovering glowing coals can lead to a fire being reignited. This phrase is particularly useful in discussions about conflicts, discussions, or any situation where past issues are being brought up again unnecessarily. It's a way to acknowledge that some matters are better left in the past and that revisiting them might not be productive or healthy. For example, in a conversation, you might hear, "I think we're just raking over old coals by bringing up that argument again. Let's focus on the present." Using this phrase can be a gentle reminder to move forward rather than dwell on the past. Raking over old coals is a powerful expression that reminds us of the importance of focusing on the present and future, rather than dwelling on past disputes. Like many phrases in the English language, it's rich in imagery and history, offering a vivid way to communicate complex ideas. We hope this exploration helps you understand and use this phrase in your own conversations. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing more insights into the English language in our next video.